May your medicine be your food, and your food be your medicine. This famous phrase was said by Hippocrates, the father of medicine, who was considered one of the leading doctors of his time. Nowadays, we know that the foods we eat are important for our health, thanks to popular medicine that has been passed down through generations and also scientific research. Several ingredients used in the kitchen have beneficial properties that can be used both to prevent sicknesses and treat them, but some of them deserve special recognition. One of them is turmeric, a plant originally from Asia that was used in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine to treat several diseases, including cancer. In fact, in India, far less people have cancer than in the United States, even though they're exposed to more carcinogenic substances. Today, over 2,000 published studies tell us about this plant's amazing benefits when it comes to cancer treatment and prevention. The studies show that curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric, keeps cancer cells from growing and prevents several different types of cancer, such as breast, lung, stomach, liver, and colon. Unlike the drugs normally used in chemotherapy, such as tamoxifen, turmeric can distinguish cancer cells from healthy cells while activating programmed cellular death, apoptosis, of the cancer cells without any side effects. Furthermore, curcumin, when combined with the chemotherapy drugs, makes them more effective. After hearing about all of turmeric's benefits, you may be asking yourself how to consume it. So today, we're going to teach you a recipe that was suggested by Dr. Carolyn Anderson, a Canadian doctor who studied the effects of turmeric extensively after finding out that her mother had one of the most severe cases of cancer ever known. According to her, when we ingest turmeric in capsules or by itself, our body doesn't absorb it, so it's better to combine it with other ingredients. One of these other ingredients is black pepper, which should be diluted in olive oil. When these two ingredients are combined with turmeric, its absorption increases by 2,000%. The doctor suggests that you do the following. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil and a generous pinch of black pepper. Add this to soups, salad dressings, vegetables, etc. As for how often to consume it, it seems that the recommendation is as often as you can. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.